beautiful people, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Chanel, aka No Mediocre 876, and on this channel I do health, travel, food and lifestyle videos. Now let me say something to you. Are you an Apple Watch user? Well, if the answer is yes, then maybe you're pretty similar to me, where a lot of times I wear my Apple Watch and when I'm about to check the time, I realize the battery is dead. Dead. Because a lot of times when I'm rushing out of the house, or not even rushing, sometimes when I'm home and I take off my watch, I forget to charge it, and when I'm about to head out, I put it on and don't even realize that the battery is dead, or I realize but still wear it. Anyway, if you're like me, then I have a solution to our problem, right? I am going to introduce you to Magsafe Portable Power Bank. Fit for advertisement? This portable power bank is from a company called NewQ, and I'll leave the link in the comment section and in the description, so you can click on that link, which will take you over to my Amazon store and you can purchase it from there. Now the cool thing about this device right here, it's not just a portable power bank that can charge your Apple Watch on the go, right? But it can also charge your iPhone. So it's made specifically for the iPhone series. This will definitely help me out, especially the fact that sometimes I use my iPhone to record like videos and the battery sometimes run down quickly. So if I am traveling, I think this would be like the perfect companion to travel with me to charge my iPhone and my Apple Watch. Especially sometimes you're on the plane, you realize that they don't have the USB-C cable part to plug in, right? Anyway, I'm talking that a bit too much. Let's open this box so that you can see what it's like, all right? And I'll show you how it is used. Oh, by the way, the good thing about this device too is the fact that you can plug up to 4 devices at once. So you can you can attach your iPhone, you can put on your Apple Watch, and you can charge other things using USB cables. But anyway, seeing is believing, so let's have a look at it.